Audrey Hepburn's slim black trousers, or Victoria Beckham stepping out in those perfectly tailored straight-leg jeans that look like they were made by angels with measuring tape? That's the secret. Elegant women never just wear jeans, they sculpt them to fit their story. Here's a fact you'll love. A well-fitted pair of jeans can make you look up to 2 inches taller and instantly slimmer. Surprising, isn't it? It's not magic. It's tailoring. No sagging, no squeezing, no wild distressing. Just clean, structured lines that whisper, "I've got my life together." Elegant women understand that denim isn't meant to shout. It's meant to speak softly with confidence. Stay with me, because next, we'll talk about what elegant women wear with those perfectly fitted jeans, the kind of pairings that can turn a simple outfit into a statement. Subscribe to Aisha's Elegance, because this journey into timeless style has only just begun. Jeans with brown shades. There's something irresistibly rich about jeans paired with brown tones. It's the kind of color mix that whispers quiet confidence, like a cup of caramel latte on a cold New York morning. Think of Olivia Palermo stepping out in a tan trench and denim, or Jennifer Aniston in her signature neutral palette. Brown shades, camel, mocha, beige, chocolate are the unsung heroes of elegant dressing. They bring warmth, depth, and that old money charm that never shouts, only glows. Here's the trick. Brown and denim work together because they share the same grounded nature. Style your jeans with a light camel blazer for a daytime coffee look, or a deep espresso turtleneck for evening dinners. A silk blouse in beige tucked neatly into high-rise jeans. That's Parisian calm in outfit form. Add gold hoops, structured handbags, and nude pumps, and you've just mastered minimalist luxury without spending a fortune. Now, for a more casual twist, try pairing dark blue denim with a brown leather jacket or a chunky cinnamon knit. If you love modern touches, go monochrome with light-wash jeans and a taupe or sand coat. It's soft, sophisticated, and never goes out of style. As Coco Chanel said, simplicity is the keynote of all true elegance. Jeans with knit clothes. There's a reason every elegant woman, from Carolyn Bessette Kennedy in the 90s to Rosie Huntington Whiteley today, swears by the pairing of jeans and knits. It's that perfect marriage between comfort and quiet sophistication. The texture of a fine knit against the rugged sole of denim, well, it's fashion poetry. And let's be honest, there's nothing more American than a great pair of jeans, yet nothing more European than styling them with knitwear that looks effortlessly expensive. Picture this: light blue straight-leg jeans with a soft beige cashmere sweater tucked halfway in, sleeves gently rolled, and gold hoops catching the light. That's your Sunday brunch sophistication. For a sharper look, choose a ribbed turtleneck in ivory or charcoal tucked into dark denim, finished with ankle boots and a camel coat. It's giving, I have a meeting at noon and a dinner in Milan by 6. Now, for colder days, go chunky. A chocolate brown oversized cable knit sweater with high-rise jeans and heeled boots adds instant old money appeal. Or for a preppy twist, layer a cream knit vest over a crisp white shirt and medium wash jeans. Think Princess Diana's charm meets modern city chic. So tell me, which do you prefer? A soft-fitted turtleneck or a cozy oversized knit? Jeans with basic layering. When it comes to style, elegant women know that layering is an art form. Not too much, not too little. Just that perfect balance that says, I didn't try too hard, but I look put together. Jeans with simple, clean layering pieces are the ultimate go-to for women who want to look chic without screaming for attention. Start with the classics. A crisp white shirt under a light knit cardigan paired with straight-leg jeans. Add a sleek belt, and you're instantly city lunch ready. For a more structured look, throw on a tailored blazer, camel, navy, or cream, over a neutral top. It's the kind of outfit that whispers confidence. Perfect for both work and weekend coffee dates. Want something softer? A simple denim and coat combination never fails. A gray wool coat over dark jeans and a turtleneck brings that old money and winter vibe. And for transitional weather, try a light trench coat with rolled up sleeves. It's classy, effortless, and endlessly flattering. So tell me, are you a structured blazer person or a soft cardigan soul? Drop your answer in the comments. I'm curious which layering style defines you most. Jeans with red items. Red and denim. Now that's a pairing with personality. It's fiery, yet refined, timeless, yet thrilling. Elegant women understand the quiet power of red. It's not about screaming for attention, it's about owning the room without saying a word. For daytime sophistication, try a red cashmere sweater tucked into high-waist dark jeans, paired with nude heels and a simple gold chain. It's giving effortless confidence. If you want something with more polish, go for a red blazer over a white tee and blue jeans. Hello, French chic. Add loafers or kitten heels and you're ready for any cafe from Paris to New York. And when the evening calls, switch to a silky red blouse, dark denim, and gold accessories. This combination doesn't beg for attention, it commands it. Even a bold red handbag, scarf, or shoes can transform a plain jeans outfit into a statement of class and passion. Remember, Coco Chanel once said, "The best color in the world is the one that looks good on you." And truthfully, red looks good on everyone. It's the universal shade of confidence. So tell me, are you brave enough to pull off red with denim? And if yes, would you wear it as a statement top or a striking accessory? Share your style preference in the comments. I'd love to know. Jeans with short outerwear. There's something magical about the way short outerwear plays with denim. It's balanced, flattering, and irresistibly chic. Elegant women have known this forever. When your jacket hits just right, it instantly makes your legs look longer and your outfit sharper. Think of Princess Diana's cropped blazers with jeans, or Hailey Bieber's polished short coats. Different eras, same rule of elegance. Start with a classic cropped blazer over straight or high-rise jeans. Add a silk blouse underneath and a structured bag. It's the perfect smart casual formula. Want to look modern yet refined? Go for a short wool jacket or boxy tweed piece. It adds texture and gives that Parisian, "I just threw this on" illusion, even though we know it's planned to perfection. For cooler days, a short puffer or quilted jacket in beige, navy, or chocolate tones gives warmth without losing structure. Pair it with ankle boots or loafers for that polished city feel. And if you love vintage charm, a cropped leather jacket with dark denim and a turtleneck never fails. It's timeless rebellion wrapped in sophistication. Audrey Hepburn would have worn it for coffee in Rome. Gigi Hadid wears it for coffee in Soho. Fashion comes full circle, doesn't it? Here's an interesting fact. Short jackets naturally create the illusion of longer legs and better proportions, which is exactly why they've been a favorite of stylists for decades. It's geometry with a touch of glamour. So tell me, what's your go-to outerwear with jeans? A cropped blazer, a leather jacket, or a chic short coat? Comment below. I'm curious which one feels most like you. Elegant footwear, shoes that transform jeans. They say, give a girl the right shoes and she can conquer the world. Marilyn Monroe wasn't wrong, and elegant women know that the right pair of shoes can turn even the simplest jeans into a statement of grace. Because let's face it, it's never just denim. It's the foundation for elegance when paired with footwear that speaks softly but powerfully. Let's start with the timeless classics, pointed toe heels. Whether nude, black, or burgundy, they elongate your legs and instantly make jeans look dressier. Imagine a white shirt, dark denim, and nude pumps. Minimal effort, maximum sophistication. Then we have loafers, a favorite of old money style icons like Carolyn Bessette and modern ones like Sophia Richie. They're that perfect in between. Not too formal, not too casual, but always polished. If comfort is your language, ballet flats are back. And oh, how elegant they look with cropped or straight leg jeans. Add a silk blouse, gold jewelry, and you're channeling Audrey Hepburn's timeless charm. For cooler months, swap them for ankle boots or heeled boots. They add structure and luxury to any outfit. And for those who love a little edge, slingbacks are the secret weapon. They say you're refined, but never boring. Think Grace Kelly meets downtown chic? And yes, even white sneakers, when clean and minimalist, can look elevated when paired with well-fitted jeans and a tailored blazer. So tell me, what's your signature shoe with jeans? Are you a heels and confidence kind of woman or a loafers and leisure soul? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know. So wear your jeans like a woman who knows her worth. Polished, graceful, and quietly powerful. Which of these looks will you try first? Tell me in the comments below. I'd love to hear your pick. Don't forget to subscribe to Aisha's Elegance for more style secrets that turn everyday fashion into art.